Hi y'all, it's Neva and welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween, day 22. So last night we watched Ghostbusters 2, always a good movie. I like number 1 best, but number 2 is still a good movie. So 2 thumbs up, we'll always jump at a chance to watch it. What isn't there to love if Bill Murray is in it? I'm just saying. Love me some Bill Murray. And Dan Aykroyd's pretty funny too. So, he fell asleep. I watched that movie. Great movie, like I said. 2 thumbs up. I made another Loaf Cat, but this time with some Bernat. I can't remember if this one was Bernat Blanket or if it was one from Hobby. I want to say this was one from Hobby Lobby that had been on clearance, and I don't know what kind it is because it didn't have the ball band. But there's a little Gingy cat. I absolutely love the little curled up tail.
That's cute.
So, love this pattern. I will link it down below. I was going to tell y'all I need to start working on some stuff that's not Halloween stuff. And was going to ask you if you still want to see what I made. And my next vendor event is at a marijuana dispensary. And so I will be making some stoner stuff. So if you would like to see that, please let me know yes or no. Because if you're going to get offended, I won't show it. But I think all the stuff is really cute. So let me know about that. Because I will be making stoner stuff. So if you really don't want to see that, there'll just be days when I haven't made something. And it'll just be talking about the movie. And that's fine. So there's my cat. And along with stuff that's not stoner stuff, but stuff to sell. So craft market stuff is what I'll be working on. I did the nose with the X. The way he did it, he used the plastic safety noses, but I had black one, but I wasn't sure how a black one would look. So I just did a little X on his face. Today's movie is The Hand That Rocks the Cradle. Let me know if you've ever watched it. I've watched it, but it's been a long time, so I'm looking forward to watching it again. It has Rebecca De Mornay in it. I think it's an excellent movie. It's not really horror, it's just thriller, like suspenseful. So if you're not really into the horror movies and you've never watched this, you might want to watch it. Give it a try. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and have a wonderful night and stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.